So today we are going to talk about trigonometric integrals. So first of all, what is a trigonometric integral? A trigonometric integral is an integral which has a trigonometric function in the integrand. So if you look at sine cube cosine squared, sine squared cosine squared, secant fourth, all of these have a trigonometric function in the integral. Now some of these integrals can be attacked using various strategies, and then some of them like 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 actually, because if you notice that they have an odd power of sine. So if you have an odd power of sine or a cosine, you can actually attack the integral, and that's one strategy. And then you have another strategy when both powers are even. Then you have another strategy to attack when one power is, when you have a secant integral with a secant even power. And actually there are no strategies to attack this. This is really the answer for this integral cannot be written in a closed form no matter how much you try. So like always, integration is fun because we never really have a perfect method of attacking everything. So let's look at some of the strategies. Now let's look at the first type. So the first type is we have a sine or a cosine with sine cube, and so okay, and then so we have sine cube, and then let's see. So let me take a. So if you look at this right here, you will notice that that the power here of the sine is actually odd, and so that means that and here too, if you look at the previous one that we had, so the power is odd, and so what kind of method can we actually use? We can use to attack this type of integral. That's the next thing that we want to look at. So now one method that we have, okay, is to separate one of these powers. So we have cube here and separate it out. So we have sine cube, and now we took one of them out and put it at the end, okay, sine x, and then we are left with sine squared. Next is to convert the rest to opposite. Alright, so then when you convert the next to the opposite, then the sine squared becomes 1 minus cosine squared, and then the sine x is still there. Okay. Now what you do is the third step is put u equals opposite. And then if you put u equals opposite, then you know that u is equals cosine x, then du is equal to negative sine x, and so on and so forth. And then you have 1 minus u squared, and then negative sine x is negative du, and